And there's breaking news tonight that expands who's at risk for being infected with coronavirus. The CDC says it is changing what it defines as close contact with someone who is sick. The new guidance says close contact means being within 6 feet of an infected person for a total of 15 minutes, even when those 15 minutes are spread out over a full day. Now, that change comes as almost every state in the U.S. is seeing a surge in new COVID cases. Tonight, in a CBS News exclusive, Adriana Diaz is inside Wisconsin's largest hospital where the situation is dire.
There are 5 COVID units at Aurora St. Luke's Medical Center in Milwaukee. This ICU is for the most critical. Nurse Ashley Bonus has been here since the start.
You look great.
Treating patients like 73-year-old attorney Sue Pappas.
Do you have any idea how you got it?
No, I can't explain it. I was pissed. I was really upset. My family busted their butt.
To be safe.
To be safe. And all of a sudden, I get it. This is nuts.
You okay?
I wish people would take this serious.
How do you think she's going to do?
I feel good about her. I really do.
Are you worried about yourself getting this?
Initially, I would say yes. I'm a type 1 diabetic. I am also 17 weeks pregnant.
And you're still choosing to come here and work in the COVID unit every day?
Yeah, it was a hard decision to make. It's also that emotional support during all of this. You take me to a different ICU in this hospital, and I'm not going to have the camaraderie that I have here.
1, 2, 3.
This patient has been here for 2 weeks.
COVID patients are flipped, or proned as it's called, because it's one of the only things that shows increased survival. It helps their breathing.
Even with these strategies, today Wisconsin hit a record 48 deaths reported.
The story you're telling here today about the hospital in Milwaukee is one that most people think won't happen to our community. And what unfortunately is going to happen in so many communities across our country, stretching the system beyond anything that we've had in modern history.
Among states experiencing another peak, cases in Massachusetts drove Boston schools to go online only, and this is New Jersey's governor leaving an event to enter quarantine after an exposure. Back in Milwaukee, if fighting COVID is a war, every day is a battle.
Figure out what you're fighting for and keep that at the forefront. So this community, these patients, these families that are being affected by this, that's what I'm fighting for.
The COVID unit is right through these doors, and something that really stuck with us is that their most critical patients aren't elderly, they're people in their 30s and 40s. Another sign that this virus doesn't discriminate and can hit anyone hard. Nora?
Adriana Diaz with such incredible reporting. Thank you, Adriana.